Here are two fresh kills coming off the truck right now. This top one here is the 2003 Nissan Maxima SE. Fit on the side there. And here's a 2000 Impala. It just got delivered from the insurance company on the truck, and we'll take some more detailed pictures momentarily. This has the 3800 VIN-K, and this has the 3.5 liter VQ35DE. This looks to have been a very super nice vehicle. Alright, more pictures in a bit. Thank you. Here we have a 2003 Nissan Maxima SE. It's got some damage on the right side, all down the right side and in the back. The production date is 5/02. It's black on charcoal gray velour interior. It's running right now. .5 liter. Motors are usually spoken for, as is this one, the minute they come in. So it has some sort of aftermarket headlights on it. There's the damage on the car. Twisted up the right rear suspension. They nabbed the spoiler on the car. Nice clean 2003 Nissan Maxima. Take a peek at the interior. And looks like it has 96,000 miles on it. If you need parts, give me a call. Thank you.